And the state of Arkansas is seeking the death penalty in the killing of a former state senator. The woman charged with her death heard that news today in court. Here's what we learned today about the case. Prosecutors will seek the death penalty for Rebecca O Donnell. She's the woman accused in the murder of former Arkansas State Senator Linda Collins Smith.
Well, there's two options for penalty, for punishment, capital murder, and you heard what choice I made.
Rebecca O Donnell was in court today to hear the charges.
She pled not guilty.
The former state senator's body was found at her home in Pocahontas on June 4th. Her son, Butch Smith, along with his grandfather, found his mother's body in the driveway of her home, wrapped in a blanket under a tarp. An autopsy determined that Collins Smith died of multiple stab wounds. O'Donnell was arrested about a week and a half later. O'Donnell was escorted out of the courtroom on her way back to jail, but not before she mouthed, "I love you," to her daughters, who were sitting in the front row of the courtroom. Just as many other friends and family of Collins Smith packed the courtroom.
Like a lot of us here in the community, I knew Linda well. She was very supportive of our endeavors in some of our community activity. She represented the community well with all of her heart, and I just want to be here to see that justice is served for her and those children and for the community at large.
O'Donnell, once an aide to Collins Smith and an employee of the former state senator's business, is being held without bond on charges of capital murder, abuse of a corpse, and tampering with physical evidence. Now, in an unusual move for a criminal proceeding, the judge in the case initially issued a gag order barring prosecutors and defense attorneys from discussing specific details of the case. That one was lifted today.